What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Let's get into the news. The first story of the day is a lot of people are going to be receiving their Galaxy S10 phones today. I know I'm going to receive mine. I know people from basically almost every carrier are going to receive their phones today. So if you receive it today, shoot me a little picture with you holding it up and we'll put it up later on either today or tomorrow, showing that stuff off, maybe in a little montage of some sort of the video. But yeah, it's I'm excited to get it out for sure. I will be receiving a Galaxy S10e that I purchased off eBay, which has an Exynos processor, and then I have the Snapdragon one as well, which is going to be the ceramic white in 1 terabyte, 12 gigabytes of RAM, going all out on that thing. The S10e that I also picked up, that's gonna be the yellow. Even though I'm not stoked about the yellow, I thought I'd get it just because it's that's the only color that version comes in. So there you go. I know you guys are stoked, and I know you're gonna write stuff in the comments down below about it anyway, so I thought I'd kick it off today's show with that information. Next up, Samsung is working on two foldable phones, completely separate from the one that's coming out on April 26th. Let's first talk about the one from April 26th though. I guess after you fold it about 10,000 times, which is a lot, but maybe not if you think about you opening and closing it, you maybe 150 to 100 times a day. That's gonna tally up fairly quick. Samsung will actually replace the screen for free. That's the rumor that's going around thus far, is that when you keep opening and closing it, it's gonna create a crease in the middle of the screen. And again, Samsung will replace that screen. And I hope they would for a $2,000 phone when this comes out. It's kind of a disappointment in a way if this ends up being true. It's one of the reasons that the rumors are saying that this phone wasn't fully showed off at the Samsung event in February and at MWC, as well as that they didn't want that information to get out. And obviously it probably would have been opened maybe 10,000 times at that point, especially with thousands of people touching these devices, so they kept it in glass. But Samsung said they kept it in glass because they didn't want to take away from the Galaxy S10. Regardless, it's something to think about. If you're thinking about getting that phone, you might want to hold off for the second generation, or if you're fine with getting a screen replacement, if it's needed for free, then go all in. The other two foldable phones that they're going to be working on is, one is like a clamshell design, think old school, flip phone from the, I guess the late 90s and the early 2000s. They're going to be working on another one of those. That's not going to be, I'm not going to talk about that too much because it's only a Chinese product, and I don't even think I have a huge Chinese audience, so we'll kind of just glaze over that one. The other one is more similar to the Huawei Mate X, which is going to be an outward folding design without a screen on the back. So on the foldable Galaxy Fold phone that is coming out, it has two screens. There's one on the back, which you can, little 4.6 inch one, and then when you open it up, 7.3. This one's going to be more of an outward design, so it's basically going to be nothing on the outer edges, but when you open it up, you'll have that nice big display, meaning that they could potentially put a ultrasonic fingerprint sensor in this device. And this device is supposed to come out after the Galaxy Fold and after the traditional foldable phones. You're probably looking, if this phone comes out at all this year, probably at the end of the year, I would have to guess, maybe even 2020. But regardless, two new foldable phones to make 3 total for Samsung in the near future. And the last story of the day is about the Galaxy Note 10. That's right, Galaxy Note 10 rumors coming in hot and heavy, and this one is about the front camera. Now, this comes from a tweet from Ice Universe based off a tweet from Phone Arena. Phone Arena put out a little Samsung Galaxy Note 10 envisioned in hot new renders, and it shows 2 cameras in the top right. It's a squarish design. It shows an S Pen. It's very similar to what you get with the Galaxy S10 Plus. But if you read his tweet down below, Ice Universe says it's almost certain that the Note 10 has only one hole and is smaller. So what he means by that is that you're going to get a smaller hole in the top right, and it's going to be only one. You're not going to get double cameras like you do on the Galaxy S10 Plus. Hopefully the camera can obviously compete with the S10 Plus. I'm assuming it can, if not be better. But if I had to guess, I would guess that the Note 10 and the S10 are gonna have almost identical cameras in terms of quality and what you would expect. So I don't expect too much. I wouldn't worry too much about there only being one single camera on the Galaxy Note 10, but it's food for thought, and it's definitely a rumor, and Ice Universe is usually spot on with his rumors and information. So you're looking at one camera on the front for the Galaxy Note 10. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, what do you want me to go over in my unboxing for the Galaxy S10 and S10e, S10 Plus I should say? Let me know in the comments down below, and I will try to get those questions answered and put into the video when I put that out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day, and I will see you down the road. Peace!